Did you want to say something about pinning an email to the top?
Oh, well,
Think
that
that's
is,
a
I guess
feature.
that was my pro tip, I guess. So
Okay, yeah.
pin an email to the top that is available in New Outlook and not in
Gotcha.
Classic. And I actually love this feature because think about in the past, we would flag. And when we would
Yep.
flag, we would actually have to scroll through the inbox
Right.
to find that flag or you filter on the flags,
Right.
right? To get to it. Here, you pin it to the top. It's there for me. If I'm
Yeah.
traveling, I will pin everything that I need to the top. Once my travel is over, I unpin it and file it away. Right now, for me, the big topic is the Microsoft renewal, MVP renewal
Right.
process. So all my emails that come in, you can create a rule for it that anything that come in that says MVP renewal, go ahead and pin it to the top so I know. So for an
Wow.
example, I should have had your emails to pin to the top.
I know.
So because think about it, now I don't have to scroll through my
Yeah.
inbox to find these emails. It's something that I know
Right.
that I'm waiting for something for a client. I know that you have a client base of lawyers, for a hot topic, they could create a quick
Yeah.
rule and it's right there in the top waiting for them.
Well, the goal is to have zero inbox. Tell you something.
Hmm. I've
That's
never
what
believed in that.
I do it every day. Every day, go to bed at night, no email, wake up in the morning, I have a handful, I manage it all day long.
Do you just move things into another folder just out of sight, out of mind?
No, I keep very few folders. I make a decision if I need to keep it or delete it. And
Hmm.
frankly, I already am like, I delete more now because I'm like, I don't need that again. And the only things I'm saving are things I have to follow up on or I might need. I do have like two folders called business and personal. And I just shove everything in there that has to do with one or the other because it's my only main email. And then later on, like every 6 months, I'll clean that out because it's just clutter. I
I
keep a really thin mailbox and I delete so much more because it's still searchable, and
Mhm.
it works great in New Outlook. Search is insanely fast. And my classic Outlook is like choking all the time when I'm trying to search. It like spins and whites out and then it's like no search found. I'm like, it's there.
Mhm.
I know
Well,
it
I tell
is.
you, I don't use search as often anymore because I love that profile. So if I know that I'm looking
Oh,
for an email from you,
yeah.
I get to you. I can click anywhere and get to you. And when you open up the just double click on your email address, any files that you sent me, all the messages you sent me, anything, if we were communicating on Teams would be
Yep.
there. I love the new profile card. It does not replace search, but it's so much better than search.
Well, that was actually removed in Classic Outlook, I think in 2010.
Mm,
When they went to 13, they took away that history, it was called. It was
hmm.
called History, and
Hmm.
people loved History because you could
Hmm.
find them and it was all their email communications. They
Right.
took that away. So I did
I
see a New
remember that.
Outlook. Yeah,
I remember
I do
that.
see it New Outlook though, and I loved it. I was like, well, that's kind of nifty.
Mhm.
People
Yeah.
will appreciate that, but we can talk about that in the next show.